In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see history in Asana View Task and Project Activity Log. 5 minutes. If you've ever wondered who changed a due date, when a task was completed, or why a custom field suddenly looks different, the built-in activity log in Asana makes that crystal clear. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. First, log in to your Asana workspace. Once you're in, head to the project where you want to review changes. You can open the project from your sidebar or from your home or recent views, whatever's quickest for you. The key is simply to land inside the project so you can drill into the work you want to audit. Next, open any task within that project. You can click it from the list, board, timeline, or calendar view. Each one opens the same task details. The task details pane will slide in on the right side of your screen. This is your control center for everything related to that task. Inside the details pane, you'll see the task title, assignee, due date, and key fields at the top. Beneath that are the description, any attachments, comments, and subtasks. Keep scrolling past those sections. The history we're looking for lies lower in the panel. As you scroll down, you'll find a section labeled All Activity. This is the task's audit trail. It lists every tracked change in chronological order, typically newest at the top. You'll see time-stamped entries for updates like assignee changes, due date edits, status changes, custom field updates, task name edits, attachments added or removed, and completion or reopening events. It also shows who made each change, so it's easy to understand the full story of the task. A few practical tips as you review. If the task has a long history, keep scrolling to load older entries. Asana progressively reveals more as you go. If you don't immediately see all activity, make sure you've scrolled below comments and subtasks. It sits underneath those. Comments are conversational and can explain why a change was made, while all activity is the factual record of what changed and when. Together they give you both context and proof. Use this activity feed anytime you need to troubleshoot a missed deadline, confirm a decision, or prepare a status update. And remember, the same steps apply to any task across your projects. Open the task, scroll the details pane, and review all activity to see the complete change history. That's all you need to confidently track what happened by whom and when.